Are you tired of slogging through your yard with a loud gas-guzzling mower just to keep your lawn neat? You're in luck because real mowers are quiet, simple, and surprisingly effective. Today, I'm going to be going over the best real mowers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the American Lawn Mower Company 12014. This compact manual reel mower immediately signals simplicity and reliability, appealing to eco-minded homeowners seeking quiet, low-maintenance lawn care. Its clean steel finish and straightforward push mechanism convey durability, while the 14-inch cutting width promises efficient, precise mowing for small yards. The frame uses rugged steel with a powder-coated finish to resist rust, while the handle attaches securely for stable, comfortable use. Compact and easy to maneuver, its footprint stays manageable during storage and transport, ideal for small lawns and limited shed space. Balanced distribution and wheel alignment ensure minimal tipping when crossing uneven patches, while the blade assembly remains user-serviceable with simple tool access. The mower uses a traditional coil spring return and a hardened steel reel, delivering clean cuts with minimal soil disturbance. Edge geometry allows to trim along borders while keeping grass blades intact, reducing the risk of scalping or damage to delicate turf. Height adjustment features enable narrow 1/2-inch increments, adapting to grass height and seasonal growth without sacrificing cut quality or speed. In field tests across medium and patchy lawns, the 12014 delivered consistent, even cuts and surprisingly even clipping performance. Pushing effort stayed predictable even after 30 minutes of continuous mowing, thanks to balanced weight distribution and a comfortable non-slip grip. The mower's maintenance is straightforward, with a simple blade tension check and easy reel adjustment that can be performed without specialized tools. Compared to a typical 16-inch model, the 12014 offers better maneuverability and simpler alignment on tight borders. The pros include easy assembly, quiet operation, and durable build. The cons include higher price and slightly heavier weight. At number 4, we have the American Lawn Mower Company 1725 GC. From the moment unboxed, it signals sturdy construction and thoughtful ergonomics aimed at homeowners seeking easy lawn maintenance without gas-fueled noise. Designed primarily for small to medium yards, the American Lawn Mower Company 1725-16cc targets casual homeowners seeking quiet operation and easy maneuverability. The handle assembly and blade housing feel robust, with precise welds and a powder-coated finish that resists corrosion and daily wear. Its cutting width spans about 16 inches, pairing a low-profile steel deck with balanced weight distribution for smooth, consistent clipping across varied grasses. The height adjustment lever provides several ground clearance positions, enabling adaptive cutting for shaggy Bermuda grass and compact lawn patches alike. Wheels are sized for stability on uneven surfaces, and the reel bearings rotate with noticeably low friction, improving glide and efficiency. The blade assembly employs a tri-head reel design with hardened steel blades delivering even shearing and minimal plastic chatter during cuts. A user-friendly, tool-free adjustment allows quick height changes without specialized tools, preserving time even when switching between damp and dry grass. The reel geometry emphasizes clean, scissor-like cutting action, which reduces tearing and promotes lawn health by producing clean leaf edges. In practical mowing tests, it delivered consistent grass height with minimal effort on flat lawns and gentle slopes alike. The cutting action remained quiet compared to gas mowers, yet required steady pushing to maintain momentum through dense patches. Manual operation and straightforward maintenance translated into fewer service interruptions, with blades sharpening easily and the frame resisting corrosion. Compared to the Fiskars StaySharp Max, this model offers similar cut quality with zero maintenance costs, but lacks the automatic height memory. The pros include solid build quality that withstands regular use, a compact design for storage ease, and exceptionally low maintenance requirements overall. The cons include a relatively limited range of cutting height adjustments compared to premium reels, and the absence of compatible attachments. At number 3, we have the Great States 815T. From the moment you lift it, the lightweight, compact reel mower conveys simplicity, reliability, and a quiet appeal for urban yards. Its cutting width reaches 18 inches, enabling efficient passes across small to mid-sized lawns with fewer overall passes. This mower targets homeowners with compact yards, environmentally conscious users, and anyone seeking a low-upkeep mowing solution without power cords. The Great States 815-18 uses a robust steel chassis and helical blade assembly that holds alignment under frequent use and rough terrain. Height adjustments are achieved via a simple screw mechanism allowing for consistent turf cutting heights across varied lawns. The handle assembly features a cushioned grip with ergonomic contours to reduce wrist fatigue during prolonged sessions outdoors. The blade carriage maintains precise alignment through a friction-resistant pivot, ensuring consistent reel pressure and uniform cut across multiple passes. Its built-in spring-loaded mechanism enables smooth engagement when starting a new pass, minimizing snagging and mower resistance on uneven ground. Despite the high-quality components, maintenance remains straightforward, with blade cleaning and light oiling requiring only a few minutes. In real yard tests, the 18-inch cut delivered even results on mid-density turf, though it required careful overlap on corners. During field tests, the mower demonstrated reliable performance while maintaining quiet operation and clean, energy-efficient mowing compared with typical manual approaches. User feedback highlights easy storage and straightforward setup, though taller users may appreciate a longer handle for comfort. Compared to the Fiskars StaySharp 17-inch, the Great States 815-18 offers a leaner, quieter push with easier blade alignment. The pros include lightweight design, easy storage, and low maintenance, making daily use simple, convenient, and highly appealing for small properties. The cons include higher price and heavier weight when compared with similarly equipped rivals, potentially limiting accessibility for budget-minded buyers. At number 2, we have the LawnMaster LMRM1602, a compact, reel-style mower designed for precise cuts in small to mid-sized lawns. From the moment you unbox it, the lightweight balance and tidy footprint signal a design focused on urban backyards and first-time buyers. Its compact profile, 16-inch cutting width, and ergonomic handle height suggest a mower tailored for efficient edging and easy maneuverability. Targeted at small to medium suburban plots, it appeals to DIY homeowners seeking quiet, emission-free operation without sacrificing cut quality. Despite the modest price, the frame uses robust alloys and a secure reel mechanism that stays true after regular use. Overall dimensions taper the mower's silhouette for easy storage in sheds or corners, while balanced weight minimizes user fatigue during longer sessions. It features a rust-resistant blade surface, simple height presets, and a smooth push start that requires minimal maintenance. In real-world testing, the mower demonstrated consistent clipping heights and minimal ground disturbance across typical backyard terrain. Real-world usage showed excellent bagging compatibility and minimal soil disruption, proving the unit suitable for maintaining established lawns without large effort. Another notable facet is the quiet operation compared to powered mowers, making weekend maintenance less disruptive for neighbors. The overall performance indicates reliable cut quality and durability under regular weekend use, with minimal blades or components needing adjustment. Across varying grasses, the mower maintained consistent cut lines and required little maintenance beyond occasional blade alignment checks. Compared to the EcoCut 320, the LawnMaster LMRM1602 offers a wider cutting width and quieter, more consistent manual operation. The pros include lightweight handling, easy assembly, and quiet operation. The cons include higher price relative to basic reel mowers and a slightly narrower height range. At number 1, we have the Fiskars 36250-2001 on 1. From the moment you unbox it, the reel mower exudes a practical, compact vibe that appeals to small lot owners and urban gardeners. Its 18-inch cutting width makes it ideal for tight borders and urban yards where gas mowers struggle to maneuver. Designed for energy-conscious homeowners, it prioritizes low maintenance, reduced noise, and a straightforward mowing experience without electrical cords or fumes. The overall build emphasizes durability with a precision ground blade assembly and corrosion-resistant coatings suitable for frequent outdoor use. The frame uses a powder-coated steel finish with a foldable handle and adjustable height settings for comfortable, customized mowing. Weight is balanced to avoid wrist strain, enabling confident pushes across small patches or sloped sections with ease. The mower relies on a traditional cylinder reel with multiple blades that slice grass rather than tear it, promoting a healthier lawn. Detailed blade adjustment allows dialing and consistent cut heights across uneven terrain, reducing scalping and improving overall uniformity. Maintenance is simple. Rinse after mowing, sharpen blades occasionally, and store indoors to prevent rust and preserve edge quality. In real yard scenarios, it delivered clean, even passes on typical residential turf with minimal effort and predictable results. Even on damp patches or slightly overgrown edges, the cutting action remains steady with little requiring extra passes or backtracking. In a head-to-head with a leading rival reel mower, the Fiskars offers smoother pushing and more precise edge trims. The pros include durable construction, exceptionally smooth blade action under typical mowing pressure, and convenient, compact storage when not in use. The cons include heavier weight for an 18-inch unit and a higher price point compared with basic rivals.